So our next exercise is to print messages on LCD screen via keyboard, which means if I open my serial monitor and if I type any message, for example hello there, okay, then it should also print to my LCD screen. Okay, so first of all include your header file. This is my LCD header file, liquidcrystal.h. Okay, now declare all the pins which are connected to Arduino board. Crystal, let's create an object first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now declare a variable to write the message, byte ch. Okay, variable to write the message. Alright, now declare two another variables for rows and columns. Column equals to 0 and row equals to 0. Alright, now let's do our void setup section. First of all, open your serial port, serial.begin 9600. Okay, now initialize your rows and column of LCD screen. For that you'll write lcd.begin column and row. Alright, now let's do our void loop section. First of all we'll write if serial dot available. Okay, it will wait for the messages. Okay, now next we have to read our message, so that's it, serial dot read. Okay, now we will print the message on our serial monitor also. So for that you'll write serial dot write instead of print, ch. Okay, now it's time to write this message on LCD screen. For that you'll write lcd dot set cursor. Okay, just put your variables, it will automatically adjust the values. So lcd dot write ch. Alright, here we increment the column. So suppose if my column length is greater than 15, because my column ranges from 0 to 15, which makes 16 columns. Okay, row should increment and column should get back to 0, and lcd dot write message should print. Okay, that's alright. Now suppose if I want to clear the screen manually, for that you'll write if ch equals to, let's say, star. If I press star, if I enter the star, then my message screen, my LCD screen should clear. Or if my row length equals to 1 and column length greater than equals to 15, in this case also my LCD screen should clear. Okay, alright, and column should also get back to 0 and row should also. Okay, now upload your code on Arduino board. It's my previous message. Okay, my LCD screen is blank. Now open the serial monitor. Okay, now type your message. Let's say hi there. Okay, so see hi there. Now press enter space. how are you? All right. Okay, fine. Okay, now suppose if I enter star, my LCD screen clear. Okay, so if I write my name is Akesh Dhiman from India. Okay, my message length was greater than 15 and also column length was greater than 1, so that's why I cleared all this screen. Okay, let's print another message. Hi, how are you? I am fine. That's right. Oh, yeah. See? Okay, bye now. Let's do our next exercise.